This is the training for icurio, which is an online way that you can find resources to use in your class. To access icurio, you can either go to the Cabarrus County Schools homepage or the Harris Road homepage. On that page, you will find an icurio login button. Click on the button, and it'll take you to the icurio login page. Make sure you go through the Cabarrus County School webpage, otherwise your login's not going to work properly. To log in, it's the same login name as you use for the computer. It's the same password as well. Once you type that in, you'll be taken to the icurio website. The icurio website has some things at the top that will be important for you. First, we're going to look at the My Content. If you click on My Content, this is a folder organization system you can set up to store your information. I went ahead and already made a folder. We're going to walk through how to do some of this. If you want to create a new folder, just click on the little gear and you get the Add Folder. You can then create a name for your folder. And if you want to, you can add a description as well. If you hit Save, it's going to add your folder over here on the side. Let's look for some content that's already linked to our standards. So I'm going to go to the My District. I'm going to choose Middle School. And then I'm going to choose my subject area. So let's go to Math. If I click on Math, it now opens 6th, 7th, and 8th grade math. If you're a math teacher, you may just want to bookmark all of these and move this entire folder to your My Content. To do that, once you click on it, you're going to get some boxes down the left. So let's say you're a 6th grade math teacher. I'm going to then check this box in front of 6th grade math, and I'm going to click on the Move button. And I want to move it to My Content, and since I already made a math folder, I can click on the math folder and click Move. That's going to move all the resources for your curriculum to the folder you created, which is going to save you some time for searching through the resources. So now if I go back to My Content and I go to Math, you'll see here's my whole curriculum. Now you're able to drill down to which unit is the unit you're looking for resources. So let's say we're looking in Unit 2. I'll click on Unit 2, and here are the resources they have already set apart. You just keep clicking and new resource, it'll just keep narrowing it down farther and farther until you get to the final resource. Then you can go ahead and click Open Resource, and it'll open up whatever the resource is. Some are videos, some are handouts. They're all different kinds of materials. So this one is a video.
Plot these values on a number line.
All right, I'm going to close this. All right, let's go back to the icurio homepage. If you don't want to search for resources that way, you are also able to come in here and type in a key phrase. So let's say I'm a science teacher and I'm teaching about weather. I can search for weather, and then I can break it down into what type of resource as well as which specific subject. So there's science, and let's say I'm looking for interactive media. And then I click narrow results, and it'll keep narrowing the results for me. To check out the resource, you just click on it, and the resource will open. So here, click here to take the test. So these resources are there, and they're working on aligning these to the curriculum. The ones that are aligned are the ones that you'll find in the My District tab under the middle school resources. Those are the ones that have already been aligned.